Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at part 3 of the cardiovascular system, and that is the structure of the blood vessels themselves. Okay, now we've got 3 types of blood vessels. We've got arteries, capillaries, and veins. Now these are all interconnected, as you can see from this diagram, and a couple of facts that you need to know. First of all, the artery takes blood away from the heart. The way to remember it, as I mentioned earlier, is it begins with the letter A, for away from the heart. As you can see, the wall of the artery is quite thick, and the reason for this is that the blood is at a very high pressure. Okay? Then from the artery, what connects the artery to the capillaries are arterioles, and this is basically where the arteries branch out into smaller arteries called arterioles, and that they then become the capillaries. The capillaries themselves are 1 cell thick, and they're this thin so that they can exchange oxygen and nutrients between the cells and the blood. And no cell is more than 3 or 4 cells away from a capillary. Okay, so what happens is the capillary supplies all of the cells with all of the nutrients and takes away all of the waste. Okay, the capillaries then form these venules, which then form veins. Now veins go back into the heart, and they contain valves which stop the blood going back in the wrong direction. It needs this because blood in the veins is at much lower pressure than blood in the arteries. And that's basically it. So just to quickly summarize, arteries take blood away from the heart, thick wall. Capillaries, very thin, exchange nutrient and oxygen between the blood and the cells. And the veins take this blood back into the heart. Very simple. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.